Afternoon again, people. This is Sam with South Carolina Happy Bees. This is February the 18th. This is a double DD NUC, but we may be reversing the box on them. And let's take a look and see what we got. These started off from an egg. Last year. So she's a little white queen. Who says you've eaten our food? Yes, this sunshine just gets us all feeling better. Unmarked queen. Nope, she marked. Okay. Find out where she's at again. She is right here. So we can't do like we normally do. She's looking for a place to lay, so we're going to put the bottom box on the top box on the bottom. This frame here is filled up. If you look at that, that's wall to wall, both sides. So she knows what she's doing. If we don't watch her, she would swarm. But we don't want that to happen. What we want with this one is we want to make some splits with this one, because she's such a good queen. We only make queens for the nukes that we sell from good queens. This one has some drones. Cells. Has some drone cells, but the rest of it's packed both sides. Both sides. It has some honey on it, some pollen, and all that big good stuff. She just wants a place to lay. Now we come back next time, we might be putting them in a double deep 8 frame. Both sides, people. Hope y'all can see that. If the wind dies down a little bit, I'm gonna put out a video of this one laid up with eggs too. Honey, pollen, eggs. She has nowhere else to lay. All this is eggs on both sides. This one went in backwards. I like to put them back the same way I took them out because that's what they're used to. Has a few drones in it. Has drones cells.
Answer your phone! Answer your phone! Answer your phone!
Someone out there is calling me now. Leave me a message.
Answer your phone! 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 Answer your phone!
People, if I'm working with my bees and you call me, 9 out of 10 times, there's nothing on that one. Okay? If you call me and I'm working on my bees, you got about a 99.9 chance of me not answering it. So leave me a message if I don't answer it, and I'll get back with you when I finish it. Okay, that one had a little bit of wax moth damage here and here and here and here, but there's nothing on it now, and the bees will clean that up. They're good bees. They took care of the wax moth. Okay, that's a pretty frame. Has a little bit of nectar on it. That's exactly what she needs to lay on it with. So yep, next week we will probably be putting these in 8 frames. Okay, that one they're building out, that's all worker frame. It's got a little pollen on it. This one, well, it's got bees on it. Next week it won't be like that though. The weather has turned good here for a while. Let's see what we got here at the front of this one. Still has wire on it, so we'll cut the wire off. There. Bottom looks okay, got a little sugar, but they'll take care of that or eat it. No bugs. straighten up the frames here, the mama and the bottom. Then we take right there. We'll take this box of the ones we want to get filled up. We'll put a little bit of poly patty up here. Pretty sure that the bees are getting the food instead of some robbing. Now they would get robbed too. Too, but not as much. There we go. Straw back in so they don't drown. I don't know if y'all watch bees or not, but if they get in here and one of them has a situation, can't get out, can't swim and or whatever, you got other bees that will jump in there and help them. They're very sociable little critters, or mine are anyway. Plus that, they're very calm. Y'all have seen that. So, if y'all decide you want to buy some bees or whatever else, look in the profile, information, you'll see how to get in touch with me. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. February the 18th, afternoon, nice and warm. Love it. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and share, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day.